Now, I've shown you how to pickle cucumbers, onions, carrots, but I've never shown you how to pickle blueberries. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but it is a fantastic addition to any cheese board, even salads. I also love to serve it like a bruschetta style, so a little bit of goat's cheese with these on. They're sweet, they're tangy, they are absolutely delicious. So we'll start with the pickling agent. In a pot, add some vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You could use white vinegar, not a problem. Some water to balance that out. You'll need some sugar for this. I'm using some raw sugar, but caster sugar works as well. Okay, we're just going to give that a bit of a swirl. We also need a teaspoon of salt. So I'll just sprinkle that in. Now you do want this not to come to the boil, but you want all of these ingredients to dissolve into each other to make this pickling liquid. We can add flavours to this. This is where you can be really adventurous with it. I want this to be quite savoury, so I love the addition of a bay leaf for some heat, some chilli, sprinkle of chilli flakes. Orange and blueberries are best mates, so 2 orange peels can go in. That's come up to the boil, so we'll just turn that off for a moment. I'm going to add some French shallots, about half of these in my sterilised jar, and the blueberries, plump, fresh blueberries for this. Look at these, fantastic, just to snack on, but they are really interesting when they're pickled. So I'll add my blueberries to the jar, and a whole punnet can go in. Oh, one little one got away. Just give that a shake. Some more of those onions and press down on that. Go. Then we're going to add this hot liquid. So the hot liquid can go straight over the top. Press down on it. You really want to fill that up. And I'll add both of those orange peels. That is how you pickle blueberries. Now you don't want to eat these straight away. You want to give them a good couple of hours, even a few days. They'll take on that lovely acidic flavour of the vinegar, the sweetness of the sugar, and their true flavour really comes out. I love this. There's many things you can serve this with. Like I said, a salad is fantastic, but one of my favourites is on some bruschetta with some goat's cheese. Yummo.